Thank you for purchasing the cane cantilever armchair by Breuer Chair Company. This chair requires an impact driver gun for assembly. Notice this screw gun has numbers on it, and this is not suitable for the assembly process. This is an impact driver gun, the correct tool needed to assembly. This tool senses when a screw gets stuck and resets itself for easy assembly. Let's unpack our new chairs. Depending on the number of chairs you purchase, you will see your seats and backs packaged separately or all together in one box. Always attach the backrest first, start on either side and insert the wood screws through the frame, and line it up with the wood backrest. First, insert the two upper screws. Screw in A halfway. Then screw in B fully. Go back to A and tighten it fully. Insert the screw through the frame and use the impact driver gun to go right into the wood. Screw in the lower A in fully, then screw the lower B in fully. Once the backrest is fully installed, it's time to attach the seat. Notice the sticker indicating the front of the seat. Now find a stable, flat surface and place the seat upside down. Next, turn the frame over and line up the holes with the indentation marks. Start on the right side and tighten the screw halfway. Move on to the left side and fully tighten the screw. Now go back to the right side and fully tighten the screw. For the two back screws, there are no indentation marks. Simply put the screw in the frame and use the impact driver gun to tighten the screws. Now flip the chair upside down and attach the arms by placing both arms on a flat surface. Align the end cap of the metal frame to match the end of the wood arm. There are no indentation marks or pre-drilled holes in the armrest. Simply put the screw through the holes in the frame and tighten screws all the way. Don't forget to put body weight on the screw using the impact driver gun. If you prefer, we have a built app for assembly. Please download the app on your iPhone or Android, and by scanning the QR code on the box or inside the assembly instructions packet. This chair model comes in many configurations. The assembly instructions are the same for all the chairs. Your cantilever armchair is now ready to be used and enjoyed. Thank you.